Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 2, 2022, 5-star Sudoku. 10th row and first grade. We have 9. So 9 can come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column B and 7th row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 8th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column F, column G, and in the 8th row we have pair numbers 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in any of the 2 cells. 9th row we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Tenth row and second row we have pair numbers 5 and 8. So 5 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in any other 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row and 7th row we have 4. Column G also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third grade and 5th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, column J we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row and 4th row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column F, and third row and 4th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Fifth row and 6th row we have pair numbers 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come any one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd grade and 8th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th row and 10th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row we have 8. so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Eighth grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then column E, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in any one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Third row, we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Third row, only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row and ninth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Third grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Column J, we already have 3. So 3 can't come. Column J, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Since 6 is here, so 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. Sixth grade, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Sixth grade, only one number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Seventh row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 10th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. First grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Second row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. Ninth row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Seventh row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Ninth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 9. 10th row and 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 8th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.